Not long ago, GoPro stood unchallenged as the go-to option for those needing a reliable, compact action camera. But times have changed. Brands like Insta360 and DJI have entered the scene, shaking things up in a big way. In this comparison, we'll explore how the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes some bold, aggressive steps forward against GoPro's latest offering, the Hero 13 Black. With a larger sensor, improved water resistance, bigger, more vibrant displays, and longer battery life, it seems like DJI has pulled ahead. But is it game over for GoPro? Not so fast. For many, GoPro's new HB lens series and its semi-modular design still offer unique versatility. Let's dive in and find out who comes out on top. The GoPro Hero 13 Black has dual LCD screens, but only the rear is touch-sensitive. In contrast, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro steps it up with dual OLED touchscreens, both front and rear. While GoPro set the action camera design standard, DJI has been more aggressive with features, like full touchscreen control on both screens and using cutting-edge OLED technology. This makes a noticeable difference, especially in low-light conditions, where OLED's deeper black shine compared to GoPro's LCD. The DJI also has a larger rear screen and boasts 100% DCI P3 color coverage. Ultimately, for design and display, the Osmo Action 5 Pro takes the edge over GoPro. The GoPro Hero 13 Black shines not just in its specs, but with its HB series of lenses and filters. You can swap out the front lens for options like a macro lens, ultra-wide, or an upcoming anamorphic lens, and even use an ND filter. Unlike add-ons for phones, GoPro's lens protector can be removed entirely, offering a more integrated solution. Plus, GoPro's smart detection of these first-party lenses gives it control over its accessory ecosystem, a feature that wasn't present in previous models like the Hero 12. While the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro doesn't have a modular lens system, it offers seamless connectivity with DJI mics via Bluetooth. Although GoPro can connect to third-party mics, it's not as streamlined as DJI's built-in system. So, while GoPro excels with its lens versatility, DJI wins in the ease-of-use department with audio accessories. And for overall accessories, GoPro Hero 13 Black is the clear winner. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has the edge when it comes to sensor specs, boasting a 40-megapixel 1 by 1.3-inch sensor, compared to GoPro Hero 13 Black's smaller 27-megapixel 1 by 1.9-inch sensor. DJI claims this larger sensor can deliver up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range, which should result in better low-light performance and more natural dynamic range. However, GoPro counters with dedicated HDR modes, including both standard HDR and HLG HDR, which combine exposures to handle tricky lighting, like bright skies. While DJI wins in resolution with 40-megapixel versus GoPro's 27-megapixel, it likely achieves this using a quad Bayer sensor design, similar to high-resolution phone cameras. This setup should allow for better low-light performance without compromising image quality. So, while DJI's sensor is larger and more advanced, GoPro's HDR modes offer an advantage in dynamic range management, making this a close contest. They both tie in this sector. The GoPro Hero 13 Black features a 1,900 mAh battery with up to 2.5 hours of 1080p recording or 1.5 hours of 5.3K. However, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, with a slightly larger 1,950 mAh battery, offers up to 4 hours of 1080p recording, even with stabilization on. This difference is likely due to DJI's more advanced processor architecture, which uses 4nm transistors compared to GoPro's older 12nm chip, resulting in greater power efficiency. Plus, the DJI battery charges faster. Battery life winner is Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes a bold step with its 20-meter water resistance, double that of the GoPro Hero 13 Black's 10-meter, and all without a case. It even includes a depth gauge, useful for starting and stopping recordings when entering or leaving the water. though most won't need it for casual snorkeling. Additionally, DJI adds 47 gigabytes of built-in storage, a lifesaver if you forget your microSD card. On the other hand, GoPro shines in its slow motion and resolution capabilities. The Hero 13 Black supports 2.7K video at 240 frames per second and can hit up to 400 frames per second at 720p. It also offers more robust slow-mo modes, like 12 times at 900p or 13 times at 720p, while DJI's higher frame rates will rely on interpolated frames, which isn't true slow motion. Though GoPro has higher resolution and better slow-mo, DJI's processor adds features like digital panning for casual users who want quick, auto-edited footage. The GoPro Hero 13 Black starts at $399.99, while the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is priced a bit lower at $349. Both cameras were released just weeks apart, GoPro on September 4th and DJI on September 19th. You can also find pricier bundles with extra gear, like GoPro's accessories bundle for $449 and DJI's Adventure Combo for $449. Ultimately, which one offers better value depends on the bundle and your region, but overall, the Osmo Action 5 comes in a little cheaper. DJI is taking the fight to GoPro with the Osmo Action 5 Pro, focusing on bold new features and upgrades, something we haven't seen as much from GoPro in recent generations. Yet, despite these advancements, action cameras seem to have hit a bit of a plateau. Most top models perform brilliantly during the day, but struggle in low light. Your choice between the two may come down to how intrigued you are by GoPro's new HB lens system, which transforms the Hero 13 Black into a modular camera without needing to switch sensors, unlike DJI's approach. Ultimately, the best camera for you depends on what features matter most. GoPro offers higher video resolution and a well-developed accessory ecosystem, including those new lenses, while the Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers better 4K image quality and a smoother overall user experience. As for the overall winner, it's not entirely clear, but if there's one brand pushing action cameras forward right now, it's DJI. That wraps up our comparison of the GoPro Hero 13 Black and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Both cameras bring something unique to the table. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more action camera breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.